Hello everyone. The last tutorial we have seen how to install Jmeter and how to launch and how to apply a simple load for any website. So now, like last time we have applied 10 load for a Google website, but we don't know is that right website loaded. We didn't validate anything. Okay, for validation we have a concept called assertions. So the same way, right click on thread group, go to assertions. The first assertion we can always refer for HTTP is as response assertions. In response, we can validate so many things: the text and response code, response message, whatever it is. So I will check response code contains. Click on add. What will the response code if it is success? 200. Okay, just click on 200. Just click on save and run it. Yeah, so the test is pass. If you see the size 7766, okay, so it should be minimum 7766. So we can add one more assertion called size assertions. Okay, so the response body 777766 greater than or equal to, we can, because less than or equal to we can't. It's like we should not assert it should load less data, so it should be always greater than or equal to. Okay, just save and see the result. Already there are something, just clear the result and run it again. Okay, pass. So if you want to see is that response is working fine, just instead of 200 put 300. You are expecting 300. Okay, just run it. It failed. And failed, when you click on this icon, you can see response assertion failed. Code expected to contain 300. Okay, but actually it's 200. So this is just for a checking. So you can write a custom message also. Response code is wrong. Something like this. Save and run. And see again here. You will get a custom message. Response code is wrong. So that you will understand what happened exactly. Okay, this is called a response. You can assert response for website and you can assert a text also. Okay, maybe next tutorial, like coming tutorial, we can use some other response so that you will understand multiple multiple assertion part also. It is like there are JSON assertions, so we can use it for API, and XPath assertion, duration assertion, how much time it's taking to launch, and HTML assertion as well, element we can check, and we can create some script, bean shell script, and we can assert bean shell assertions. Okay, there are a lot to use it. I have given a simple like response, size, XPath also simple. Okay, okay guys, so next tutorial we can see like how to record UI actions and all. Thank you.